Remember Trump's dead economy jibe at us? Now US giants say no. This isn't true. Amazon, Microsoft bet big on India and on India's story. Amazon has lined up $35 billion for India investment. Microsoft doubles down, vows 17.5 billion. Trump dismissed clearly India's story roaring. Amazon announces 35 billion investment in India, opening up new tap plans to invest more than 35 billion in India by 2030 to expand operations and strengthen its artificial intelligence capabilities. I'm going to go straight across to Business Today's Sakshi Batra for more on that. US tech firms pouring billions of dollars into India earlier this year. Now we have Amazon, Microsoft betting big on the India story right here, isn't it? A complete opposite of what was claimed by American President Donald Trump.
You're right, Sneha. Absolutely. Last 2 months have proved to be very fruitful for India in terms of the big global tech giants betting big on India and India's growth story, especially India now emerging as a global hub of innovation, AI-led investments that India is attracting right now. Well, Amazon has, as you rightly pointed out, now talked about a $35 billion investment. That's over 3 lakh crore rupees in India by 2030. This will be across their businesses, which will have AI-driven digitization, export-oriented focus, as well as job creation as well. This could actually lead to what Amazon has pointed out, direct or indirect 1 million job creation in India as well. Remember, this comes just a day after Satya Nadella also met Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and he also promised $17.5 billion of investment in India to help build the AI infrastructure in India. And what we've also seen is Microsoft already had about $3 billion of investment so far in 2025. This is in addition to that we have seen about about $17.5 billion now being announced for over the next few years for Microsoft as well. Remember, Amazon also has already invested in India about $40 billion, and this $35 billion is on top of that they are announcing. And Amazon has said this is the biggest investment that they have done in Asia, in fact, in any country. They also believe that with this investment, they are the biggest foreign investor in India that we are seeing at this point in time. Remember, on October 14th, we've also seen Google now investing big on the India AI story. They had invested $15 billion over the next 5 years that they had promised to develop and set up an AI hub in India, which will include the country's largest data center in partnership with Adani Group as well. So remember, the three of the biggest global tech giants now betting big, right opposite of what Donald Trump had actually said, believing India to be a dead economy. It's the biggest global tech giants, all headquartered in the US, now betting big their money when it comes to AI in India.
Good to leave it at that for the moment. Sakshi Batra getting in those details, telling us about the growth in the India story and how American companies are looking at investment in India. It's Microsoft, and a day after Microsoft's big announcement at the meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, we've had Amazon make an announcement of a big investment in the country. It's exactly opposite of what was claimed by American President Donald Trump, who said that the economy is dead. It's a dying economy in the country. But if it is so, then why are these American companies so keen on investing in India? So it's a direct contradiction of what was falsely claimed by Donald Trump. Amazon opening new tap plans to invest more than 35 billion in India by 2030 to expand operations, strengthen its artificial intelligence capabilities. The US e-commerce giant has already announced this, becoming the latest global tech firm to deepen its presence in the world's most populous country. Major US tech firms have poured billions of dollars into India this year, underscoring the country's emergence. Sakshi continues to be with us. Sakshi, is not just Microsoft and Amazon, but other companies, tech companies also over a period of time who've been investing in the country and see this as a favorable destination, isn't it?
Absolutely. And most of the economists have already pointed out that there is no way that one can ignore India and India's growth story. Time and again, a lot of experts, global and Indian experts, have bet big on India, thinking that this next decade will definitely fuel a lot of fire in terms of growth. And this will be an opportunity not just for domestic investors, but even foreign investors at large. It's time that all those global investors now look at. They were already looking at a China plus one strategy for the last couple of years, and it's now that India's focus has also been very, very clear that they want to go big on AI. They want to go big on these newer technologies. We're already seeing from the government on semiconductors how they are stepping up their own manufacturing facilities, inviting Make in India, under Make in India, a lot of those investors giving PLI support as well to all those foreign investors who are looking at India as the next manufacturing hub. And it actually makes sense for all these global tech giants who have exhausted a lot of money in the US to bet big on a country that has a promise to build on its growth over the next 5 to 10 years.
Absolutely. I'm going to leave it there for the moment. Sakshi Batra, they're putting this story into perspective.